Using Sezzle on Amazon directly isn't available, as Amazon does not accept Sezzle as a payment method. However, you can still use Sezzle for purchases on Amazon by following these steps. Get a Sezzle virtual card. Log into your Sezzle account via the app or website. Navigate to the card section to generate a virtual card. Copy card details. Once you create the virtual card, copy the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Shop on Amazon. Go to the Amazon website or app and add your desired items to the cart. Proceed to checkout. When ready to purchase, go to your cart and click Proceed to checkout. Enter payment information. In the payment section, select Add a credit or debit card. Paste the Sezzle virtual card details in the appropriate fields. Enter billing address. Ensure the billing address matches the one linked to your Sezzle account. Complete purchase. Review your order and click Place your order. The purchase will process and your Sezzle payment plan will begin. Manage payments. Track your payment schedule through the Sezzle app.